Okay, so what is codominance? Codominance is what happens when both traits are equally dominant. You do these the exact same way, except that you don't use any little letters because there are no recessive traits. So let's work a problem for codominance. Move this out of the way here. Let's just say in cows, red and white are codominant, which results in roan. And roan is actually a mixture of red and white. What if I told you to cross two roan cows? Okay, so what you're going to do here is that you're actually going to do this. We're going to use like capital R. Okay, capital R would be red. Capital W would be white. And roan would actually be capital R, capital W. Okay, the problem asks you to cross two roan cows. Okay, so all you would do is say capital R, capital W times capital R, capital W. You put it in a Punnett square. Okay, cross it just the same way we've been doing. And what happens is that your genotypic ratio ends up being 1 capital R to 2 capital R, capital W's to 1 capital W, capital W. Your phenotype ends up being 1 red to 2 roan to 1 white. Okay, so if I asked you about probability, what's the probability of these farmers having red cows? It would be 1 out of 4, or 25%. Probability of having roan cows would be 2 out of 4, or 50%. And the probability of having white cows would be 1 out of 4, or 25%. Just remember that codominance is where the traits are equally dominant. No lowercase letters are used. You're actually going to get a mixture of both traits. The difference between codominance and incomplete dominance is that if we were talking about cats, for example, incomplete dominance would be like if I crossed a black cat and a white cat and got a gray cat, whereas codominance would be if I crossed a black cat and a white cat and got black and white spotted cats.